Good morning, grade 2, and welcome to our English lesson for today, Sunday, 31st of May, 2020. Today's lesson is gonna be vocabulary, lesson 29, Reader's Notebook, volume 2, pages 482 and 483. In this lesson, we are gonna be learning about the new vocabulary words mentioned in the story, Two of Everything. Only 4 words will be explained in today's lesson. The words are tossed, odd, contained, startled. The first word is tossed. Let's try to guess the meaning of this word through reading the context. They tossed the supplies into the trunk to pack for their vacation. They tossed the supplies. These are the supplies. They tossed the supplies into the trunk of the car to pack for their vacation. So can you guess what's the meaning of the word tossed? So the word tossed means to have thrown or flung something. For example, the children tossed the ball. This means that the children threw the ball, tossed the ball. Now it's time to practice using the word tossed in a meaningful sentence. Please get your English copybook. Look at this picture. What are the boys doing with their graduation caps? Can you write a sentence using the word tossed to describe this picture? Before starting writing your sentence, please pay attention to the following. Use capital letters at the beginning of your sentence. Use finger spaces between all the words you write. Use punctuation at the end of your sentence, whether a full stop, exclamation mark, or question mark. You can pause the video until you finish writing the sentence. Now let's move to the second word, which is odd. Odd. Try to guess the meaning of the word odd through reading the following context. Do you think it's odd or strange to look for buried treasure? So, from reading the previous context, what do you think the word odd means? Odd means something strange or unusual. So, strange or unusual. For example, the car was making an odd noise, a strange or unusual noise. Are you ready to practice now? If so, open your copybook and use the word odd in a meaningful sentence. Let's see the picture. Which emoji here is the odd one? As you know, odd means strange or unusual. So can you please write a sentence? Please pause the video until you finish and follow with me step by step. Are you done? Okay, now it's time to do self-assessment. Say with me, I see a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. If you start your sentence with a capital letter, give yourself 1 star. I see finger spaces between all the words I wrote. If so, get another star. I see punctuation at the end of my sentence. If you put full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark at the end of your sentence, give yourself another star. If you got 3 stars, so this is perfect. If you get only 1 or 2 stars, please just correct your sentence and follow these steps. Let's move to the third word, contained. Contained. Let's read the context and try to guess the meaning of the word. This old box contained jewels, coins, and other treasures. So inside this box, there are jewels, coins, and other treasures. So what do you think the word contained means? It means to have or hold someone or something within or inside. For example, the box contained different parts. Time to practice. Use the word contained in a meaningful sentence. What does the purse contain here? The purse contains what? Can you write your own sentence? Don't forget to do self-assessment when you're done and tell me how many stars will you get. The fourth and the last word for today, startled. Startled. Let's read the context and try to guess the meaning. The diver was startled to find treasure at the bottom of the ocean. The diver was startled to find treasure at the bottom of the ocean. So the diver was surprised by finding the treasure at the bottom of the ocean. So startled means surprised. To have suddenly surprised someone. For example, the ducks were startled by the dog and flew away. It's time to practice. You will watch a short funny video. Watch this video and then use the word startled in a sentence after watching the video. Let's see.
So, let's find out.
Now it's time to show your work to your teacher. Write the 4 sentences in your English notebook. Take a photo of your work, then upload it to your portfolio. This was the first part of our lesson. The second part is gonna be on Tuesday. See you. Goodbye.